So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, Associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video I'm going to discuss with you what are the requirements of a temporary injunction. So let's start the discussion without any delay. So the case of Dalpat Kumar and another versus Prahlad Singh and others of 1991. In this case there has been settled that three main requirements for granting a temporary injunction. The very first is prima facie case. A suit consists of a seriously disputed question. The facts in the in those questions encourage the probability of entitlement to relief for the plaintiff or the defendant. A prima facie case does not mean that the plaintiff or the defendant come up with an irrefutable argument that will in all probability succeed in a trial. The second one is irreparable loss. If irreparable loss were to be incurred by an individual with regards to the suit before his legal rights is established in the trial, it would be a cause of grave injustice. However, it must be noted that illustrations like frustration over over a loss of something with sentimental value will not be regarded as irreparable damage. The third one is balance of convenience. The court needs to compare the case of parties' comparative mischief of or inconvenience which is likely to show from withholding the injunction will be greater than which is likely to arrive from granting it. So that's all about our discussion. I hope you're pretty much clear. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with some more information.